What do I do now? How do I convince him to come and meet Mama? This guy will never listen to me. Let me call him and see what he says. Preparing this online class for students is another headache. I don't know when I will get enough sleep, enough rest. Who's calling me now this time?
Hello?
Hello?
Hello? Who is speaking?
Sir, I am the delivery man. Delivery? I did not order anything. You ordered. Maybe you forgot. Yo, what did I order? Some peace, and I am here to deliver it to you. Subair, what is this? Why are you calling me and irritating? Sir, I missed you. You and missed me? Missed what? Missed the opportunity to kill me? Missed your chance to ruin my life? What? Missed what? Calm down. Why are you so angry? You are asking me to calm down. If anybody wants to make problem, they should call you. If anybody wants to make World War III, they should call you. If anybody want to make divorce between husband and wife, they should call you. If anybody want to split the earth into two, they should call you. Come on, sir. I'm not that bad. Mone, you are not bad. You are worse. You have the blood of Hitler and Stalin inside you. Sir, this is too much now. I called to compliment you and to say that you are the best, and you are insulting me back to back. I don't want your compliments. I don't want anything from you. You please just leave my life alone. But you're my favorite teacher, and as your student, I have to compliment you. I have to say that you're so handsome and you're so charming. You really think I am handsome? My wife was telling me yesterday. Well, I don't think you are, but right now I have to put some butter on you. What? What did you say? I said I don't think. I am sure that you are handsome.
Thank you, Mone. Thank you.
Sir, I need a favor from you. What favor? Can you meet my mom, please? Meet your mother? Why? You always wanted to meet her, yeah? So come and meet. No need. Please, I don't want to meet. Because if I meet, then your father Abu Subair and your uncle Rambo, that criminal uncle, both will destroy my already destroyed life by you. No, sir, they will not do anything. I can guarantee that. Your guarantee is like Shaitan's guarantee. I don't want your fake guarantee or warranty or surety. I don't want anything from you. Sir, please, sir, come on. Meet her. I promise you I will behave and respect you always. Okay, fine, I will meet her. Bring her to the next parent-teacher meeting, okay? No, sir, meet her before that. Before that means how I will meet? I don't know. You can come home. Mone, this Eid you want to sacrifice me instead of the God? Why all of a sudden you want me to meet your mother? Actually, a problem happened at home and now she wants to meet you. That's why. Look, my dear Subair, you're not understanding my situation. Because if I come to your home and meet your mother, your father and your uncle will come and threaten to kill me. I am not willing to lose my life for a stupid student like you. So please understand my condition, understand my situation, and have some mercy on me. Please. Sir, please understand, please. Subair, I said no means no. Please don't disturb me and don't call again. Bye. My neck became just fine. Now this bye is giving me BP again and I'm feeling pain here. I should apply the cream. He cut the call. This man. Let me call him again. Meet my mother, it seems. People think I am stupid. I am not a teacher just like that, okay? I have too much intelligence in my brain. Mone, Subair, what you want? I am preparing notes for the online class. Please let me do my work, please. Sir, please come and meet her. Subair, your house door is open? Yes, sir, it's open. Okay, walk towards that door and please get lost. SMD. First you say that you will come and meet my mother.
Huh? What did you say? SMD what?
Sir, SMD means sure my dear. I told you this before also long back.
This boy will not listen like this. Okay, fine. I will meet your mother, okay?
But sir, I have one condition.
Oh, you have condition also. What is your condition?
Don't say about the things I did during all these years to her, please.
Mone, the main reason to meet your mother is to tell her everything. The years of torture you put me through, the torture Abu Subair put me through, the torture Rambo put me through. All of that I want to tell to Zubair because I think she is very intelligent.
Sir, past is past. You have to move on in life. I will be good from now on.
Subair, I can trust Shaitan, but I cannot trust you. Your mother should know everything.
Why, sir? What did I do?
You asking what did I do is like Hitler saying he is innocent. It is like sun saying I am not a star. It is like Pluto saying I am a planet. Please, Mone, shut your mouth.
Sir, if you were a good teacher, I would have been a good student. You were not a good teacher to me. That's why I am not a good student. You failed me as a teacher, okay? It takes two hands to clap.
Whoa! Now you're putting the blame on me. Like this now, huh? You want to play victim. You have this victim mentality. No shame.
Sir, when I was asking you politely, you did not listen. Now, should I call Uncle Rambo and let him talk to you?
Mone, Subair, okay, calm down. I will come, don't worry. You don't have to tell Uncle Rambo anything, please. Calm down, I will come, don't worry. I will not tell anything wrong to your mother. Don't worry, please calm down. But before coming, I will call you and inform you that when I am coming, okay? Please calm down, please.
Okay, done.
Thank you. Is there anything special you want me to tell to your mother?
Just say that I am a good student. I am a very obedient student. Say all good things about me.
No problem. Consider it done. I will say everything opposite. Don't worry. You are in safe hands.
Thank you so much. You're the best. I love you. Bye.
Okay, Mone. You go sleep, okay? Good night. Don't worry. Everything will be okay. This is a golden opportunity. And this boy wants me to say good things about him. I will make a PowerPoint presentation about Subair, Abu Subair and Rambo. How they tortured me through all these years. I will take my justice. I will unleash the truth and I will take revenge.